So we are from Thales, a French company with global activities in such domains like aerospace, ground transportation, defense, and cybersecurity. We choose RealWear for augmented reality device because it's the only one currently for industrial purpose. The main use case is remote maintenance. For example, you are a field operator, you are located somewhere in the world, in the desert or in a plant, and you need to repair something and you need help from an expert, a remote expert. So using our solution, you will call a remote expert. The Thales solution will establish a secured connection between both of you in peer-to-peer, and you will be able to live stream what you are recording, what you are seeing. The use case in terms of remote maintenance will lead to two main objectives. It leads to reduce the cost, the travel cost of expert people, because you can guide remotely, and it will increase the equipment's availability, so the uptime of the equipment, because you don't have to wait the expert to come on your site to get a reparation.